preparation to perfection in listening, filling the blanks. I know spellings are tough and so other things. So watch this video and you are going to ace your listening, filling the blanks. Going to tell you pre, post and during listening tips that can actually help you to improve listening, filling the blanks. Hi everyone, Mehak this side, and we are going to work on listening blanks today that can actually help you to get your score in your listening and writing. So make sure you watch the video till the end, that will definitely help you. The very first thing is pre-listening tips. Pre means the very first thing you have to do in your listening. First thing, skim the text. Before the audio starts, you should quickly skim. Skimming does not mean that you have to read in detail. Skimming just means that you should quickly read the entire text and you should get idea what is the paragraph or the thing about, so that it will definitely help you to know the tenses, grammar and every single thing. Second, identify the proper nouns. See, where you can see that you need to put a capital letter, which blank, just before the blank there is a full stop. If there is a full stop before the blank, that means you have to write the first letter capital. If you don't, then definitely it's considered incorrect. So you have to make sure you check proper noun. Proper noun are particular name of a person, place or any single thing which is particular. So first letter will always be capital. Make sure you check that. And second thing, after full stop, if there is a blank, first letter capital again. Third, note repetition. Don't try to write it down or something. If you think like there is an important word repeated again and again, you can definitely write that word, so that if you miss any of the word, you can fill that word in there. That will definitely help you to improve. So three things, pre-listening tips. It's first, skim the text. Second, identify your proper nouns. And third is note repetition. You have to make sure the word which is used again and again for your note repetition, you write it down. Now during listening tips, most important thing, first thing, you have to make sure that your cursor is placed on the position of the blank. It's not like you are just writing on your notes and when you see over there, you now struggle to find your cursor. Very first thing, put your cursor and then start noting it down. So you have to be very ready, because time management is very important in your listening section. Second, follow along. While listening to the audio, move the cursor along with the audio and speak that audio in your head too. And then this tip will definitely help you. So if you don't do this, you don't go along the audio, then no marks, you will be confused. I'm not saying there is a marking for that, no marks, I meant that there will be no marks. If you get confused, you will miss the word, so no marks automatically. Rhythm and practice. So make sure you practice this a lot. If you practice and you set a rhythm over this, then definitely will help you, because you have to do multitasking in this. One side you have to listen, and then second thing, you have to write it down. So definitely you need practice for this. Next, spelling matters. Spellings are the most important thing in this. If you write incorrect spelling, marks from listening and writing are gone. So always double check your spellings, work on your spellings, and please follow the similar things. If you are following British or American, you can write, if you are following Z pattern, S pattern for this, let's say you are writing organization, Z. If you are following Z for all the spellings like this, follow that please. If you are following like S1, then follow that. Please stick to one. No blanks left empty. You have to make sure no blank is left empty. If you left any of the blank empty, no score will be there. So that trick will help you. Write down the word which has been repeated again and again. There is no negative marking, so you can definitely write the word. So cursor placement is important. Follow along the audio. Rhythm and practice. Spelling matters. And do not leave the blank empty. After that, review the spelling. Sometimes typos can be there. Typos means typing errors can be there. We are typing correctly everything, and just I have seen students doing this. Once they have filled up, this quickly move to next. No, don't jump to next straight away. Make sure you review the spelling. You're reviewing the spellings, or we can say proofreading is very important in your listening, filling the blanks. If you find any error, you can correct it at that time only. Second, check grammar. Check for singular, plural, verbs. Let's say there is a blank and before blank it's written has, and after has you have written ing. How it is possible? It needs ed, verbs third form. So check time wisely. If you have some time left, just make sure proofread, proofread, proofread. Proofreading your listening is very important, not only for listening blanks, for your other sections of listening too. Practice with feedback. If you think that any of the word is difficult, you were not knowing, check its meaning, write it down in your notebook and learn it. Definitely it is going to help you and improve. So these were the pre, post and during listening tips that can actually help you to get your score. Follow these tips, work on listening blanks, you will definitely ace it. And don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. You get all the tips and tricks here. You know we are there to help you and more than happy to help you. Thank you so much everyone. We'll see you in the next video.